Today we show you the use of a weighing reject machine. We take out a box of 4 weight products. See, there are 5 pieces of masks. First, we put the product on the weighing machine. Weighing out the 4 weight product is about 77 grams. Then, we take out a single piece of product and put it on the scale. The weight of the single piece of product is about 7 grams to 8 grams. Then we set its qualified range according to the weight of the whole box and individual product weight. We take half of the weight of a single product. In other words, 77 grams plus or minus 4 grams. Set the weight range here. Then everything is done. After setting, click the Start button. The conveyor belt will start running. Let's start the test. Look, there are now 5 pieces. Enough weight and enough quantity. Let's put it on. It passes smoothly. The device shows pass. Now let's test the underweight status. There are now 5 pieces in the box. We now take out 1 piece, put it on the machine. Okay, the underdose is detected and has been rejected. Now let's test the overdose status. You can see that there are now 5 pieces masks in the box. I'll add 1 more piece to it. Seal the box. The machine also rejects normally. It shows overweight. This weighing and rejecting machine supports both English and Chinese display. We just need to select in About the device, select Language option and check the different languages. To complete the switch,